Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn and Walking Lady.
So hi everyone.
So in this video, we're just going to quickly talk about how to travel with only one carry-on luggage, which we have it right here. We have been trying to do this video for a while, but we are not just getting enough time. So we decided to go ahead with just some basics. We're not going to show inside or actually what we are packing. So this is kind of just basic video showing how to travel with only one carry-on baggage. Now we are in Bangkok, Thailand, and this is our Marriott, JW Marriott in downtown, and we are about to check out for today. But before doing that, we just wanted to quickly talk about, so this is our carry-on luggage. Now if you're traveling within Thailand, then you have and you're taking flights to, let's say, Phuket or Krabi, then there is a size restriction. For example, this cannot be more than 15 kg, and the luggage you take in the cabin cannot be more than 7 kg. Now what happened, actually this was not even 12 kg when they measured at the airport, so you were way below the weight limit. The way we travel is that we divided this small 21-inch carry-on suitcase half. So this half is for myself and the other half is for Walking Lady.
That's right.
And then we have one personal item for each, and
This is
then
mine.
that's Walking Lady, and that's mine. And then we have one kind of sling bag,
This is mine.
anti-theft sling bag, where we just keep the passport. Now the most important tip we can give you is that the clothes, that's the most thing which is going to take space. So the way we did, we just brought, for me, 3 pairs of underwear, 3 t-shirt, one full pant, which I have it right here. I didn't even bring 2, and then 2 pairs of shorts. And what did you bring?
I have not many, okay, but I have two like 2 tops.
2
Yeah.
polo shirt.
2 polo shirts, okay, and then my underwear panty is 5 pieces, and bra is 3 pieces, 1 shorts and 1 sleeping shorts, and how to say it, 2 sleeping dress, like 2 t-shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, and then 1 pants, okay, just 1 pants, and one very thin pants.
Thin pants. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see that our clothes are very minimal, and we bought 1 pair of sandal. Actually, we had 2 pairs of sandals, very light, but one we threw them away
Yeah.
because they were smelling bad. Now these the rest of the stuff we have very little toiletries, and that's what taking up the space. And the rest of the stuff we have in here, they're cables and power banks and accessories for video. So imagine if we didn't have the video, we could just travel with only this. We probably even wouldn't need any personal item. But the reason we are having personal item because of some video accessories, and these are 7 kg limit on smaller airlines if you're flying within Thailand. But they the employees at the airport even didn't bother to check the weight, because they knew that this is way below the size limit. Now, so this is the main thing. We traveled with very little clothes, and we kept washing every day at hotels or Airbnb, wherever we stayed, and that way we were able to brought down our weight limit to even much lower than the minimum requirement. And you can do that as well. And in terms of toiletries, we bought very little. We didn't bring any shampoo or soap when you're coming from Canada, but we bought small sizes in Thailand. And then the other items are very tiny, so that's how we filled up our bag. And the rest of the items you're seeing, they're just cables and other YouTube video recording accessories. We even have a mini tripod here, which you cannot see. So the lessons to learn from this is always lower your clothing. That's the main and most bulky item, which is going to take a space in your luggage. If you can do that, then even you don't need to worry about packing cube, or you don't need to worry about how to fold, whether roll or fold. That even doesn't matter. Although we have packing cubes, but I think our clothes are so minimal, we even didn't need anything. So this is just a quick tip. We plan to do a further video in the future showing what's actually inside, but for today we just wanted to show you guys this quick tour of what we have from JW Marriott in Bangkok. So you have anything else to add?
Actually, I can add it later on in our next video. This is just the part 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to check our channel, and we'll be posting more videos from Thailand. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.